Welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix green lines in your Samsung. Now, quick one guys, to do this, first of all, let's first head over to our settings. When you come to settings, then come to search bar. Now in the search bar, search for graphics, depending on the phone you're using. Once you search for graphics, tap on the graphics preferences. Now it will take you down. Now this only works for those having developer options, you can see. Now tap on the graphics preferences themselves, and then this will open up. Make sure that this one is set to use driver preferences. If yours is turned off in most cases, while using your phone, it will then start developing a green light. Now if you turn it on, you'll have solved that problem. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.